Looking for the right earbuds and willing gumastos as long as worth it? Check this out. This is the Soundcore P40i and one of the top selling brands ngayon. Meron siyang 11mm composite driver sa loob kaya intense yung audio quality plus the bass-up technology para mas immersive yung experience mo. Superior na din yung call quality nito dahil sa strong active noise cancellation with 6 AI-powered microphones kaya clear talaga yung voice mo even outdoor calls pa. May app din siya to enjoy many features like different ambience style, noise cancellation, EQ presets, find device, and immersive experience for movies and gaming mode. Kaya no delays din siya sa gaming and pinaka-unique, may Hear ID sound quality wherein makukuha mo yung preferred sound quality mo depende sa hearing sensitivity and music genres mo. For the battery naman, it has 12 hours for the earbuds plus 60 hours charging case. This could last for weeks if not a month with a single charge lang. Plus, isa sa best features niya, the case has a phone stand and it can be charged wirelessly. All of this for a very fair price, a one-time buy for a premium quality earbud. So if gusto mo rin, check out mo sa Yellow Basket.